everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Gitu. So for today's video, I akan buat another haul. But before kita mulakan, jangan lupa subscribe, turn on the bell notification, share dan juga comment this video. Dan yang paling penting, jangan lupa join cash giveaway bulan ni. Okay everyone. Okay, I hope everyone is doing fine. Okay, sebab hari ni hari Ahad. I hope you guys have a good rest. Sebab esok probably korang kerja ataupun korang memang kerja pun hari ni kan. Yeah. So without wasting any time, let's move on. So video kali ni bukan Shopee haul. It's another Lazada haul. Yeah. Wow, my cat macam ni muka dia. Kan? So, jom kita unboxing. Yang ni actually, it's a handbag, but not a proper handbag. It's a tote bag, probably. But let's see if it turns out nice. Yeah. Sebab kalau korang jadi nak tengok I punya previous video, you guys tahulah kan yang bag, tote bag I beli hari tu, ya Allah. Bag hari tu dekat sini, I tak pakai semua lagi. I just leave it there. Okay, so jom. Satu, dua, so kita ada dua right now. So jom kita buka the first one. Macam tu. Sebenarnya kan, I simpan lama dah parcel ni. Tak ada lama, dah seminggu setengah macam tu. Sebab I macam, bila ni aku nak buka ni. Uish, nampak cantik guys. I hope dia besar lah, sebab nampak macam kecil je kan. Sebab tak adalah aku nak tote bag. Itu tote bag besar size dia. Tapi tak naklah dapat tote bag yang sama kualiti macam video hari tu kan. This one not bad, but it's kind of small. Macam mana member aku boleh beli besar, aku je dapat kecil je. Not bad lah guys, cantik lah for me. But sekejap, kasih kita buka dulu tepi-tepi ni. For me, dia bukan, dia just a pure leather. Okay, jahitan dia not bad, kemas. Okay, this is the jahitan. Ni dalam dia, no lining, tapi dia macam sweat. Dalam dia macam sweat. Yep. And dia ada magnet kat sini, magnet button dekat sini. Okay, dalam dia ada, yeah, got another small small pouch di dalam ini. And dia tak ada macam orang kata apa, pocket ke apa ke. Nope, it's completely just like this. Even untuk sling pun tak, ini memang untuk pakai macam tu. Okay, however depan ni ada pocket. Macam kalau nak letak handphone ke, sanitizer ke, mask ke, hook ke, face mask hook ke apa kan. But then let's try. Kalau nak ambil pakai tangan ni macam struggle juga dok. Okay, so let's try on haul. Satu je I nak komen, I think right, gambar dia slightly different lah. Same goes to the previous video kan. I perasan completely different because the size are different. Sebab dalam gambar tu dia menampak medium, but what I get, it's small. This is small for me, but I'm not sure you guys lah. But I expect bigger. Okay, you know what I mean. So let's move on to the last parcel for today. Last item for today. I tak sure ni kedai sama ke tak, but let me check. Yeah, I'm not sure. I tak sure kedai sama ke tak, but you guys boleh check dekat description box below. Okay, this is actually a net bag, net tote bag. This one, yes, nampak besar. Okay, I like this one. I love this one. Sebab dia memang, I boleh nampak dia besar. Size dia. Yes, this is love. Nampak? Okay, ni cantik. I love this. I love this, guys. I love this. Oh. Ta-da! Macam letak buah. Cik, macam nak pergi grocery. It's a nice tote bag, guys. Nice tote bag. But the purpose why kan I beli ni, sebab I nak letak bekal di dalam ini, so that dia nampak tak boring, tak macam kampung style, but then it's still stunning. Yeah, you know what I mean? Sebab, okay, this is the story. Okay, I the MRT pass through 25 stations dengan bekal 3 bekal untuk beroffice yang order kat office kan, and I pakai bag yang bag grocery tu, and dia dah macam bodoh kan for me, right? Macam pagi-pagi orang bawa bag grocery, obviously orang akan macam, oh ni mesti main pakai ambil handbag kan. So I feel like I nak style pergi kerja, so I bought this. It still look pretty. Okay, dia ada gaya, tapi di dalamnya ada bekal makanan that nobody knows what it is. So macam, tada! Here's the bag for chores. Macam tu. Tada! I kind of like this. Okay. So kalau I nak bawa 2 bag pergi kerja, both are black. So ni lah. We come like this. Kiri kanan black, or I can like this, letak macam tu, and like that. Yes, so both black. Orang tak perasan. So it's a matching. So this one black I nak pergi office. Boleh lah, I pun tak bawa apa kan pergi office. And this one bawa bekal, botol air ke. I love it. I kind of like this one lah. Dia ada style. It's minimal, it's simple, but it's stunning. For me lah. Okay guys. So di situ saja video kita kali ini. Hopefully this video you guys enjoy. Okay, korang sudi subscribe. Okay, and do not forget to turn on the bell notification. So selamat berjumpa di video akan datang.